how to change image size in Wix. So what I've done here is I've just loaded up the Wix website and I've clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now right here, I will click on add elements and just add my image. So I'm gonna go into image and upload images. Now here you can choose an image file from your computer or all of these third-party applications. Just click on upload from computer here, choose your file, and it should appear in your site files folder like so. So for example, let's use this image and add it to our page. As you can see, it's a little bit too big for this page, but if we want to resize this image, we will just have to click on either of these four dots here in the four corners. And once we hover over it, you will be able to see that the cursor changes. So if we want to keep the image not distorted, then we can just click on, like I said, either of those four corners, and we will drag it like so. As you can see, it shows us the definition which it changes to right above it as we resize it. And once we have resized this image, we can place it anywhere on our website, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps you. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.